Got you bugging out, stressing. Shut your mouth. Lessons are learned as I'm pressing the verbs. Nothing's left of you herbs. Out of breath on the curb, cause of death every word I say. And spray like venom, y'all fade like denim. You say I don't be right, but I seem to be the guy y'all wanna be like. Oh, he's a beginner. Leave you shriveled like them leaves in the winter. Feel the anxiety when you're eyeing me. Sporting shiny outfits that be blinding me. While I'm on stage performing, I ignore cause y'all not important. A portion of this got you coughing and ish. Switch it up, sip the cup cause y'all too scared to guzzle. Put a muzzle on me. 23rd, who you be? Spread the word, wait and see. Hate me, blatantly, shame me, maim me, try and tame me.
Y'all be nervous when you hear all our rhymes. Nervous when you're seeing us shine. Nervous because we're one of a kind. And every time you're still hitting rewind. Nervous is that look on your face. Nervous soon as we step into place. Nervous and you won't get a taste of the way we roll. Oh, what a waste.
Yo, the haters got nervous when we purchased our first mic, especially those that haven't heard the kind of words that we recite. Now they burdened by the fact they can't determine what's our type. They should do themselves a service not to hurt themselves or try to figure out, comprehend, attempt to try to grasp this movement, since this language that I use is proved to be a bit confusing. No matter what I mention, y'all still keep the rumors spreading, but stay on the path you're heading if intending to contend against a group of human beings whose abilities extend far beyond your comprehension. The tension I detect connected with your apprehension. I predicted when you figured we exist in a dimension that's different from your own, from what you would consider home. Linger deep beneath the streets, are all alone in catacombs. Anxiety has shown, bones are shaking in your hand. You're falling for a plan, cause people like you tend to fear what you just cannot understand.
Y'all be nervous when you hear all our rhymes. Nervous when you're seeing us shine. Nervous because we're one of a kind. And every time you're still hitting rewind. Nervous is that look on your face. Nervous soon as we step into place. Nervous and you won't get a taste of the way we roll. Oh, what a waste. From last generation to X generation to this generation, the next generation. The best to be Jason, the whip is a bust, no doubt about it. I don't give a, I'm at the top of my game. Untouchable and I'm not gonna change. I swear, cause what I hear's a lot of the same. You're shaking cause I'm replacing your spot with my name. Watch me retain, refrain from hanging from my tested kills. Everybody looking like they wanna test my skills. I won't say I'm the best until I retire. Half y'all won't get me still. The other half is one of the reasons I picked up a pen and let you know what I'm thinking. My words got your vision all blurred. Still you're staring a hole through me, calm your nerves. Y'all be nervous when you hear all our rhymes. Nervous when you're seeing us shine. Nervous because we're one of a kind. And every time you're still hitting rewind. Nervous is that look on your face. Nervous soon as we step into place. Nervous and you won't get a taste of the way we roll. Oh, what a waste.
Yo, I don't know why you guys are so nervous for. Oh, wait. I know why. Cause 857's changing the face of hip hop. It's a rebirth. Bottom line, right? New revolution. Y'all nervous because we about to change things around here. Hell, I be nervous too. Cause y'all might be out of the job.